Hi, is your refrigerator open the wrong way in your camper? Maybe you can't adjust your shelves or your door hits something. Like this one here, this one's fine. I'm going to show you how, if your door does open the wrong way, how you can adjust it or reverse it. A lot of them should come with plates like this one here. That way you can switch the handles. Alright, so this one here, you can see the latch is on the right side, or the left side has a plate. Well, this latch can be switched to either side. Same thing as the freezer, you'll have the latch under here, you can switch to either side. The plate, on the other hand, they are not the same, so that's why they'll send you a separate plate. If you look, this one's slanted on that side, this one's slanted on this side, so this one here will cover that hole. This one here you just take out, move your handle over there, and I'll show you how to do that. What I find easy, I'll do the freezer first. I just remove those two screws while holding the door, because your door will fall on you. Once those two screws are out, remove your door, set it down. You remove these two screws, which is the bottom hinge of your upper door and also the top hinge of your lower door. You can remove those two. You'll have, like right here, there's a plug. You can pull these plugs out. Pull those plugs out. There's a screw hole where you can move this one to this side just to get this plug, fill this hole. You'll take this plug out, fill the hole over there. Same thing up top. You'll have two plugs here. You'll take these two screws out. You'll put that on this side, and then you'll just flip this to that side. All right, I'm going to remove the door. Remove those two screws just from your top hinge. You lift your door straight up, your door will come off. Keep an eye, because there may be a little bushing or spacer on there. The same on top. You have a plug here, remove that plug, put it to this side, because your hinge will be on that side. And once you get the freezer door off, a lot of times you can just leave the fridge door closed. That will kind of uphold it. And remove these two screws. And your fridge, open it up, lift straight up, it will come off. Then you'll remove your bottom hinge. Alright, kind of will fall right there. Alright, so this was the bottom hinge. No, this was the top hinge for the freezer. But if you see, if you try to put this on the other side on the freezer up here, it will not work, because this is on the inside, not the outside, where when this is on here, you see the hinge is on the edge. If you put it over there, one's going to be upside down, two's the wrong way. So now this one, which was here, will be your bottom right on your refrigerator door. What you took off your refrigerator door, the bottom left, will now be your top right on your freezer door. So you put that on there. That's it. Remove all the plugs. Remove your latch. Put it over here. I'll show you the door. So on this here, pull those two screws out. Let's get a screwdriver, a knife. Remove that one. When you take this side off, this side here is spring loaded, so I suggest keeping your finger on that. Remove these two end pieces. Sometimes they'll pop off on you. Just lift straight up. There's gonna be a little spring under there. Hold that rod so it doesn't slide out. You see a spring. So you just literally just move this to this side. You'll get this spring. You'll pull it down. Now I don't need to switch these doors. I'm gonna put it back like it was. You just push this down, set it in place. Like so right now it's staying, but sometimes it likes to pop up on you. Put your plates back on. Careful, don't tighten these too tight. You can break that plastic. Like I said, you would use the new one that came with the fridge, because I said it would fit on this side, where the old one would not fit on this side because of the slant. So, like I said, I don't need to switch these doors, so I'm gonna put it back like it was, but it's pretty much the same process, except for I said except for moving your hinges. Like I said, again, I'll say it, where this was your top freezer hinge, it'll now be flipped and be our bottom refrigerator door hinge. And same thing, this was your bottom refrigerator door hinge, which will now be flipped and become your freezer door hinge. With your middle hinge, it's the same no matter what way you flip it. You're flip it like that for left side, or flip it like that for right side. So your middle hinge doesn't matter, it's just your top and bottom is going to be switched out. So be careful and watch, because you may have some little shims in there. So, again, if you're switching the side to side, you will have a plug on top. You'd have to remove that plug, put it on this side, and that's a threaded hole as well. Not threaded, it's just a hole for the pin. Sometimes what I'll do, once I get the refrigerator door on, I will try it out. Like right now, this one here, it is hitting. I'll show you. When you close it, the latch is actually going under when it should be on top like that. So I will have to adjust these hinges and get it in. I'll either add another shim to the bottom, or see if I can't maybe move the bottom of the door over some. Top door, it's the same way it came off, just set it on there. You can't do this one with it closed, so sometimes two people makes it a lot easier. Right there, it's not latching, so just this door is sitting too low, so I'm gonna need to put a shim, which actually I forgot to put on. There's a shim right there, so I need to put that shim under this, on this hinge to raise this door up. And now we're latched. Just a little bit too high. So these hinges also have adjustment on them, so we'll adjust the hinge. There you go. So now it's locked, and then you push the lock, it opens real easy. So that's the way you want it to do. Anyway, so that's how you reverse the doors if you need to reverse your doors on your RV fridge. So, thanks for watching.